This is a new project that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make a plant for Mother's Day using this mason cup that I found just lying around. Again, it has a tiny little crack, but that's fine because it's gonna hold a plant inside and it's pretty. So I'm gonna use Miracle Grow. And then I'm gonna put a plant inside to grow. And again, it's very pretty, and this is gonna be for Mother's Day project. So I have these plants that are in my garden. I don't know what they're called, but they grow so fast. So I'm gonna stick that in there and have it grow. I also have these little teacups that are lying around again, and I'm using Miracle Grow and do the same thing. I just fill them. So by the time it's Mother's Day, it's already ready. So I'm doing this like in February, getting it ready. And again, I'm going to use the same plant because they grow so fast and they catch easy. I'm going to stick it in there like so. We'll see how they look by the time it's Mother's Day. This one is the little stick plants. I'm gonna see if it holds here. And again, we'll see when May comes around, because right now it's February. The beginning of February, we'll see if it catches. So I'm gonna be displaying them here. And when it's May, I'm gonna show you again and see if they survived. For Mother's Day, I'm prepping them in February, like I said, and we'll see how it comes out. So yeah, it's ready. Hello again. This is the my little stage that I am staging in my garden. As you can see, I'm gonna be putting these teacups that I planted earlier in the year. I'm gonna use them for my Mother's Day presents. So what I'm doing here, I staged it, and I'm adding little decor over here. So I'm gonna hang this over here so you can see what I'm doing. And, it's just something to make it more a little fancy, but it has a little heart that says treasure this day for Mother's Day. So that's what I'm doing here, and it has a key. So what I'm doing with the little teacups, I planted some real plants, and they're teacups that I don't use anymore. So what I'm gonna add to that is I'm gonna add some ribbon, some the red one and the black one on the little teacup there, so they look nice. So that's what I will do, and then I will show you my other one. This one I did it also for that day, and it's in a mason jar, so you can give them away individually, and it's a real plant inside of them. So I'm gonna add a little ribbon to it, and that will be the Mother's Day things that I'm doing for this Mother's Day occasion. this is the end of my video, and thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and look at my other videos, and I see you on the next one.